Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Next, locate your seat cushion. The arrow on the mechanism indicates the front of the chair. Using the included mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. Tighten the screws in an alternating cross pattern. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Next, we will attach the armrest. Using M6 18 arm screws, attach the arm to the backrest. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the seat cushion screw holes. Next, attach the armrest to the seat cushion using the included M622 screws. Do not over-tighten your screws. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.